There was a time in my life when I travelled the world, going from one research lab to another, going from conferences into companies. Because as head of research in a large organisation, I needed to know what the rest of the world was doing. You can't be a spectator in R&D, you have to be on the pitch, you have to be engaged. And so I stumbled into a company and I found some technology that was rather wonderful, and it was called DuPont. DuPont Chemical Company. Terrific. What were they doing? 25 years ago, they had a bath of polymer, plastic if you will, liquid polymer, and they came to talk to us and we helped them, because the trick was to get 3, 4, 5 lasers, bring them together at a point to heat the polymer up to make it solidify. And this was one of the earliest 3D printers. So this was magic. So in the middle of a big glass full of polymer, you could create things very slowly, but you could create things. And that was the sort of birth of 3D printing as we know it today. And I was fortunate enough to be engaged. And interestingly, that same idea is now applied for surgery when trying to destroy cancers. So if I take radiation to destroy cancer, snag is it destroys everything in its path. If I focus it on a cancer in your brain, then everything from the skin all the way through, including the bone, will be affected, and you'll steam a hole through the brain. But if you take 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 sources of radiation and focus them in, it only heats up where they come together. So the radiation can go through your skin, through the bone, traverse your brain, and get to the point where you want to kill the cancer. When it reaches that point, the energy is intensified, and that's where the destruction takes part, nowhere else. It's kind of interesting. We now live in a multidisciplinary world. If you look back through time, you can see it coming together, where all of these ideas and technologies are used in several places at once. Marvellous.